Do you love pasta but avoid it for weight loss? There's something about the soft, tender noodles that's so satisfying. So you know I love pasta and noodles. I grew up with rice and noodles as a staple for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And if you're like my coaching clients, you enjoy eating them too. But maybe you think you can't have them if you're trying to lose weight? That's not true. As you've heard me say before, the simplest way to explain weight loss is calories in and calories out. So eating less than your body needs. The concept is simple. Like to get abs, you just need to work out. But you know there's so much more to just doing crunches. It's about how much you eat, what you pair it with, and how it truly makes you and your body feel after, and how it keeps you staying full. If you're ordering pasta at a restaurant, you get an entire plate of pasta, and that amount is more than you eat if you made it at home. And what happens afterwards is likely 1, you're too full and uncomfortable. 2, you feel like you have food coma, so sluggish, tired, and maybe sleepy. And 3, you're considering the amount of pasta you ate, you might feel like you're still hungry a few hours later. How does that even make sense? Does that sound familiar to you? The truth is, you can eat pasta and still lose weight. Eating a lot of pasta and white pasta can cause your blood sugars to rise, and our body doesn't like it. This causes us to feel good once we eat it, then you get that food coma feeling afterwards. You can learn more about blood sugar and carbs, specifically for breads, in my video here. How you can prevent these 3 symptoms post-pasta from happening and still lose weight is by doing these 3 things. The first thing is cooking pasta al dente. Al dente is Italian and it means to the tooth. So there's some bite to your pasta. It's not raw, but it's just cooked enough so that there's some resistance to it when you bite it. The reason for this is when you cook pasta al dente, it lowers the glycemic index in food. Glycemic index is that number that tells you how fast the carb-containing food enters into your bloodstream. If the glycemic index number is high, then it will go into your bloodstream quickly and causes you to crash quickly. The lower the glycemic index, the better. So for al dente cooked pasta versus soft pasta, the glycemic index is lower and it's going to prevent that food coma or food crash. The second thing is choosing bean, whole grain, or white pasta with added fiber. Bean pastas are an excellent choice because they have the added benefit of extra proteins like chickpeas or black beans, plus fiber. So if you're vegetarian or your pasta has low or no protein, bean pasta is a great choice to choose. Whole grain and white pasta with added fiber is also another great option because of the added fiber again, which slows down digestion and puts the pasta at a lower glycemic index, preventing you from crashing and helping you feel more full and satisfied. White pasta with added fiber is a great option because it tastes and looks like white pasta. The third thing is bulking your pasta with veggies. Pasta is often served without veggies, but the veggies are a low-calorie way to keep you feeling fuller because it adds volume, fiber, and water. Start with a large salad before your pasta dish and use a vinaigrette dressing instead of a creamy dressing, which is usually higher in fat and calories. Or if you're making pasta at home, add veggies to your sauce. You can buy or spiralize your own veggies like zucchini, carrots, or bell peppers to make it look like noodles and add bulk. You can also chop them up and add them to your sauce, but the spiralized look can be more fun to eat with your pasta. These 3 tips can help you stay fuller longer and prevent you from crashing so you can enjoy pasta as part of your weight loss journey. For personalized coaching to get you to your healthy eating and weight loss goals, apply for my Elite Weight Loss Coaching Program at adriennrd.com or click on the link in the description below my video. Check out these other videos to get tips and recipes of healthy weight loss from me. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, hit the bell button, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.